Security dashboards are a powerful way to monitor your account health and ensure your accounts stay safe and secure. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use them to keep your account status in check. Stick with me till the end for an exclusive free trial offer. First off, what is a security dashboard? Think of it as your account's health monitor. It displays real-time data about the security status of your accounts, including login attempts, access patterns, and any suspicious activity. To start using security dashboards effectively, you need to familiarize yourself with the layout and key sections. Typically, when you log into your software, you'll be greeted by a summary of account health right on your dashboard. The first section to pay attention to is usually the security score or risk assessment score. This is a quick overview of your account's safety level. Keep an eye on this score as it helps you understand if any immediate action is needed. If your score is low, the dashboard will typically guide you to the areas that need attention, like updating weak passwords or enabling multi-factor authentication. Next, you want to review the activity logs. This is where you can see if there's been any unusual activity in your account. Look for login attempts from unknown locations or times that don't make sense based on your normal usage. These could be signs of unauthorized access. Some dashboards even allow you to see login attempts in real time, so you can act quickly if necessary. In addition to activity logs, many security dashboards provide an alert section. This is where any security threats or actions requiring immediate attention will be highlighted. These alerts could range from a simple notification that you need to change your password to a more serious alert indicating a potential breach. It's essential to set up your notifications so that you can be alerted instantly whenever something out of the ordinary happens. Another key feature you'll likely see on your dashboard is recommendations for improving account security. This could include tips for strengthening your password, enabling two-factor authentication, or reviewing your account's access permissions. Following these suggestions will help keep your account as secure as possible. Make sure to regularly check this section, as these recommendations often update to keep up with the latest security best practices. Now, before we wrap up, I want to give you a reminder. The software we'll be using today provides an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along with everything I've shown you. It's a great opportunity to test out these features and monitor your account health without any risk. The link for that free trial is in the description below. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? It's simple. Regularly monitoring your account health using a security dashboard is crucial for keeping your account safe. Focus on your security score, monitor activity logs, keep an eye on alerts, and follow security recommendations. These steps are essential in ensuring your account stays secure, and this is exactly how to use security dashboards to monitor your account health. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.